It's never been easier to take one of your concepts and make it into an array of rich media. In this example, I'll show you how to turn this car into an animated video, make it realistic looking, and also make a high quality 3D model out of it. So I've got this concept image that I generated, and what I'll do is I'll select this node and type a prompt to make this a realistic car. I hit enter, it creates a new node, and it runs it for me. Okay, so it's made this concept art much more realistic. And now let's put this car in an interesting environment. So I'm going to select the node again, and I'm going to say to put this car in a realistic environment. I'll hit enter, it creates a node for me. It automatically connects the two nodes and it runs it. Cool, so now we've got this car in a really interesting looking tunnel. One thing that'd be really nice to do is to change the angle of this, and the easiest way to do that right now is to use the Qwen model. I'll grab the output of this node, I'll drag away, and I'll just type in Qwen. So we're going to select this model here that has precise position and angle control of the camera. And you'll notice that at the bottom here, we can see a few different sliders. I'm going to rotate the angle of the camera about 50 degrees and run this. Cool, so we've rotated the camera and you can now see the back of this concept vehicle. And another fun thing to do would then be to create a first and last frame video from these two outputs. So I'm going to drag from the first one and type in first last. We're going to use Veo 3.1 first last. So we've attached the last frame by default. I'm also going to attach the first frame. Actually, I don't like this order, so I'm going to remove these edges and just make the last frame the rear of the car and the first frame the front of it. And I'm going to add a prompt. I'll hit play on this. So we now have the output of this video, and it took about a minute to generate this, and the quality is pretty outstanding. One of the last things that would be really cool to do is to now take this car and make a 3D model of it so that we can continue editing it in CAD software. To do that, I'll go back to our earlier concept image of this car. I'll drag away from it and I'll type Hitem. Hitem is a new model that is able to produce pretty amazing quality 3D models. So we'll use this car as an input and we'll hit run. Hitem takes a while to run, so what this node does is it sends the job to create the Hitem model. And if you want to download the model once it's been created, you can type in Hitem again and use the get result node. So we'll plug this in. And once we're ready, we can hit play. Once the model's been generated, we can run this and it will download our 3D model. Okay, so Hitem's generated an incredibly high quality model for us. You can see it's textured, it's filled in a lot of details in different areas of the car. And this gives us a really good starting point to work from in a CAD software such as like Rhino. It's easy to download this model. All in all, that took about 5 minutes to generate this high quality model. It's free to get started with Runchat. Visit runchat.com to try it out today. If you have any ideas for anything you'd like to see, please comment or join us on Discord to continue the conversation.